If your organization has an enhanced notification license, an administrator can configure call monitoring. Call monitoring allows an administrator to designate a phone number to be added to an emergency call at the time it is happening. This functionality allows security desks or other designated personnel to listen to the emergency call in real time. Once the recipient has been conferenced into the emergency call, the designated personnel can barge into the call by dialing *1. This feature lets the designated personnel to speak as well as listen to the emergency call. To configure a phone number for call monitoring, navigate to the Configuration menu to expand it and click Call Monitoring. Select the Configure button and complete the following fields as required. Name. All locations toggle. If toggled on, the building drop-down field will no longer be selectable, as all building entries are selected. Buildings drop-down. Only available if the All Buildings toggle is toggled off. Phone number. A maximum of 5 phone numbers can be added to a call monitoring subscription. Click Add to commit a phone number to the list within the Add Call Monitoring dialog box. When ready, click Save. To edit call monitoring configuration, select Edit from the Entries Action menu. Make changes as required and click the Save button. To delete call monitoring configuration, select Delete and confirm the action.